there, I'm Stacy Trin from InsuranceExamGuides.com and welcome to our online course for AINS 103, Exploring Commercial Insurance. In this course, we'll be learning about commercial insurance, which helps protect companies from financial losses. Businesses face all kinds of risks, including liability risk, property damage risk, and potential loss of income. Insurance plays an important role in helping companies deal with these kinds of commercial risk exposures. Sometimes, students struggle to get through their studies because they find that the learning material they're using is too boring, too technical to understand, or they might just get overwhelmed by how much stuff they have to remember. At Insurance Exam Guides, we've created our study materials with these pain points in mind so that we can create better tools to help students prepare for their exams. At InsuranceExamGuides.com, we aim to make the material simple and straightforward, and we're not afraid to get ridiculous or silly as long as it makes the information more memorable and easier for you to understand. We just want you to succeed, so we've packed our course with a whole bunch of content, including online video lectures, a streaming audio-only option in case you prefer to just listen on the go. We've thrown in our ever-popular study guides and bonus printables to help you effectively review all the material you need to know. And we've included a whole bunch of practice test questions. That way, you have everything you need to effectively prepare for your test. Before you begin your lessons, be sure to check out all the videos in the intro module, especially if this is your very first time using an IEG online course. There, we'll show you how to use some of the extra features you'll find in this course, and we'll also provide you with smart study strategies and other practical tips that you can utilize during the actual test. So if you're ready to do this, so are we. Let's get down to business, the insurance business that is.